Xerxes I once whipped the ocean, not as a metaphor, not as a ritual. He literally ordered his men to strike the water 300 times with chains and iron rods because a storm had destroyed his bridge. He was the king of kings, the ruler of the largest empire on earth. And in his mind, he was divine. The sea had no right to defy him. When his engineers built 2 massive rope bridges across the Hellespont Strait to invade Greece, a storm tore both of them apart overnight. His response was not grief or strategy. It was fury at something that should have obeyed him. He had the engineers beheaded. He had the water shackled with chains. He told the sea it was a slave. Then he rebuilt his bridges, crossed into Greece, and marched toward his destiny. But something had cracked. A man who punishes the ocean for not listening is a man who has stopped seeing reality clearly. At Salamis in 480 BC, his fleet was destroyed. He never recovered, and neither did his empire.